What's up, everybody? This is Joe from Support and Resistance Trading. I want to talk about my two trades today. Very frustrating. Um, Very frustrating day today. Down $45. Just gonna be real with you guys. Very, very frustrated here on these two trades. So let me show you what I was looking at and what I was seeing on Facebook today and why I was so into Facebook. So Facebook was kind of breaking out, but having these like really weak breakouts. Okay, as it was trying to go higher, but the market was kind of going down. And I was watching a couple levels, and I have them really marked out here. And I want to talk to you guys about them when it comes to volume and what I was actually thinking I was seeing. Really, what I was seeing, it was just early. So, again, we're down $45. Frustrating. All right, so I bought two puts this morning at 10:09 and out at 10:13. So I'm going to show you what I was looking at. Now, I was actually kind of combining my two strategies together, like my new volume idea with this. So with the VWAP kind of idea. So we broke up, and what we got was a lot of selling. Okay, this is a pretty good amount of selling in a stock. Okay, in terms of amount of selling, and we would get these micro pushes, and they were just super weak. And then we broke through VWAP, and I was watching this line. So let me show you something. Stock comes up, breaks out on volume, right? So you got all these people that are buying this thing. Small sell, spike again, sell, and we hit this level here. Okay, this level of, I have it as charted as 182.6. We get a massive green spike, and you always want to kind of chart those guys because that's where a lot of people have bought this stock. Okay, so a lot of people bought it here, right? We spike up. There's a lot of buyers. I wouldn't say trapped, right? But trapped at this level. So spike up again. We come all the way back down. I'm watching the level too, right? And I was looking here, and I'm looking to go short at this point. And look what we do. We spike down, and as soon as we hit this on the time of sales, we just get bought up right here. And what happens after we get bought up off that same level that's over here? We spike back up. Now, we were spiking up into this same level in terms of the top. When you hit this level, we would sell, right? So what we were getting were these pushes, okay, off this level, but they were just getting weaker, right? So we came back down and got weaker. So we spike up, hit this level again, and we sold off. All right, and I got short at 10:09 at this candle because we tried to push up, and look at this volume in this red candle. I was like, all right, we're trying to push, and we're getting more people getting out here. So we come back down, tap this, I guess, micro support line. People buy it, and you can see the volume down here is so weak. Let me try to zoom in so I can show you guys. So people buy this, okay? And then the next candle, it gets going again, and then I got out. So, I was really thinking we were going to break down. The time of sales was showing weakness. Now, we did buy off this level, but the spike was just a buy off this level, and then it popped, from 70 to 40, so it spiked, 80 cents, 70 cents, okay? And then we were just selling off, and people were just getting out of their shares. So we came back down, and I thought we were going to fail. Now, I was a little early, and I guess this could be my mistake, but I saw a pretty good volume, and these levels just not holding, and every time it would... See, the problem is, these candles, right, show you after the thing happened, not as it's forming and what you're seeing on the time of sales. So we got bought up here, and then we were selling. As soon as it would buy, we would just sell into this roughly this 183. Okay, so 183, and the next candle came in, very little volume on a buy. Okay, we weren't buying off this level extremely in terms of volume. The next candle we got up and we bought, but again, these breakouts were weak. Okay, weak. So, all right. So I saw this come up. Then we get a massive spike, and I'm like, all right, I guess this wants to break out. Like, we're gonna break out. Like, we keep hitting this level. People are actually buying at this level, and people are showing support higher than the previous, right? Showing support, support, support. So I said, you know what? I gotta stop being short biased on this. Maybe we are gonna break out. Okay? Maybe we are gonna break out. So you know what? I bought a call and kind of going against my intuition. So I bought a call at 10:17. 4 minutes after I got short, so 10:17. I bought a call, thinking we were gonna break out because we came back down to this level, and I bought it here at this level because I thought we were just gonna, continue up. So let's continue along here, and we did, right? We did. We got above the level, and people were buying off the 183 like 40-ish level, and every time we'd come back down, we'd get buyers to come in at 183.40. So I thought we were gonna break out. I thought we were gonna go, break out, and we kind of spiked up here, and we got stuffed by the high of the day. Let me show you. Okay, got stuffed by the high of the day, and then we sold off doing what I thought we would do. So, just really frustrated, guys. Chased a little, but not like, I'm not upset about that. What I'm upset about is I think what this spike here, was institutions spiking this to get the hell out. Spiking this Facebook to get out here and then to let this thing collapse. And I was just early. And it's just super frustrating because I was seeing it on the tape, and like this volume spike, like this run here, up here. Look at the volume down here. It's just so bad. Like you weren't just getting this massive push, but it was still running and people were buying, and I just frustrated. Okay, just frustrated. I really don't know any else to say that. I mean, if I was still in my freaking puts. They were what? What did I buy them for? Two of them, 228, right? I mean, 228 at the 182.5s. 182.5s, look at that. I mean, $50 a put. It's just like, had the right idea initially. Then I tried to switch patterns, switch ideas because, what I was seeing were like I said, we were getting bought up a little bit off these levels, and I just thought, we were attempting to break out again. We got above this, right? Are we gonna break out, and the volume just never came in. Obviously, the SPY was below VWAP, but we were getting these small pushes in the SPY, and I went against the SPY. I don't know. I don't know sometimes anymore. Just really, really frustrated going into a weekend. It sucks being red. Now I am officially down $100 in this small account. This is really hard. I had a little bit higher expectations for myself, and I'm doubting myself at points, and it's just really hard to trade stuff without the leverage that I'm used to in a bigger account. As soon as I take a $45 loss in an account like this, it's actually really hurting my buying power versus in like an account that's a couple $1,000s. The $40 loss is like 10%, so it's just 1%. So it's just it's really hard. It's really hard. This is really going through a lot of emotions for me in terms of, mental. Like the money is nothing. It's just I'm seeing it and I know it's there, and it does it, and it just does it later, and I'm just early, and it's just really frustrating. I really want to show you guys also. I know this video is a little long and I'm kind of just rambling, but Qualcomm. This was such an obvious short, and I was just watching it, and I was like, I'm not chasing this, I'm not chasing this, I'm not chasing this, and I should have. Freaking right here, look, I can show you my canceled orders. Where are we? Where's Qualcomm? Look at this. Okay. Trying to buy some puts here. Qualcomm, 47, 49, 52, 53. This was me chasing, immediately canceling orders because I was like, stop it. Stop chasing, stop chasing, stop chasing. I mean, I should have just been in this trade. I mean, this was so obvious that this was a short. I mean, look at these candles, and look at the way it was getting sucked down, right? I mean, 47 I think was one. This was me trying to chase. I was like, stop it. And then in here was another one, and then in here. I mean, you could see this thing on the level 2. Every time it would go up into these levels, it was just so weak, and people were just selling below these levels. I mean, I have them marked out. I should have just shorted this. I mean, Christ, what was I trying to get in at? 2 puts, 68 puts, 145 to what, 156. So let's see what those would be. What is this? These 67.5s? 68 puts. 68 puts. 68 puts. Look at that. I mean, 189. All right, 187. I mean, it's just frustrating, guys. Maybe I need to be chasing. I don't know. This small account is just really fucking with my head. And you know, obviously I'll be back on Tuesday. If I go below 550, I'm probably just gonna stop, because in reality, this is just eating at my bigger account, and I'm gaining a lot of knowledge, but I'm really just getting frustrated with myself. So you know, Tuesday's another day. I gotta just have a couple drinks, enjoy the week. Look at this. Qualcomm just dumping. I mean, you know, Facebook. Look at that dump. Oh, Jesus, look at that. Look at that dump. And it's probably going to continue. It's going to spike up in here, and or it's going to dump out. So I'm just frustrated. I will see you all on Tuesday. I'll post this video. Just trying to be honest with you guys, you know, about what's happening here and what I'm seeing and what I think I'm seeing. And over here, I got the 5-minute chart on the Facebook too, and it's just crazy. All right, I will see you all on Tuesday, and you guys have a great weekend. All right, thanks, guys.